So we have, it's hard to see probably on the camera, but underneath here there's cracks and the screen just doesn't work. So to remove it, I'm going to take a heat gun, and all along the outside edge is where there's glue. So if you just take a razor blade, and as you're heating it, you just, it's pretty hot too, so as you're heating it, you just want to kind of move the razor blade and cut along the glue on the edges. And this has already been done, but so I'm just showing you what I did. And once you get it all removed, the screen will pop out just like this. I'll have to remove this ribbon. I'm just going to pull this out like that, and then you have the screen free. And I don't know if you can see the cracks in there. Okay, stop. Okay, I just got my new screen and digitizer. I was only able to find one guy who actually sells Samsung factory products. So I'll put the link to his eBay account in the description. On the back here, this is the sticky glue. We're going to heat that up to, refasten to the tablet. This goes in there. So what this is, new screen. I'm going to have to pop this whole ribbon out here, and this part will go there. And I was able to do it real easily, just stick a little screwdriver down in there. Be careful, but you can just pry it right up. And then you're going to have to tear this tape off. Alright, I got it in there, and you can feel it snap in, so you'll know when it's in there properly. Okay, and then once you get it on there, it'll fit right down in. So then you can, as you push on the corners, you'll feel it kind of pop in. This button will stick up a little bit. You'll kind of know. Oops. I'm going to use a heat gun to melt the glue around the corners, but I'm going to keep it far away because you don't want to discolor the screen like when I was taking it off. We didn't care. We got it real hot when we were taking it off, but we don't want to do that here on the new one. And look at that. That's a good sign. I'll let it charge a little bit and turn it on.